Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today we're going to take a closer look at Sui Scan, which is one of the top explorers for the blockchain. The other one is SuiVision, which I did a video on a couple weeks ago, so check that out. Both are great starting points if you're new to Sui. It's a great place to discover all the apps, DeFi, meme coins, NFTs, and so on. I like to use Sui Scan to help with meme coin trading. So if we go to Deck Screener and you go to Sui, you can see all the ecosystem meme coins. Well, let's take a look at this one, AAA Cat, which is one of my favorites. Nothing I say is financial advice. For education, entertainment purposes only. Do your own research, but I like AAA Cat. So Deck Screener obviously has a lot of great information, but one thing it doesn't have for Sui meme coins yet is the holder count, or at least doesn't have it clearly visible. So what I like to do is go ahead and copy the contract address from Deck Screener, go back to Sui Scan, and then paste it in. Then go to AAA Cat. This is going to give you a bunch of information on the meme coin project, specifically the holder count. You can see this one has over 7,500 holders, circulating supply, total supply, market cap, and also the date that it was created. So this was September 13th, about a month ago. If you scroll down to holders, this is where you can see how decentralized the project is. And you can go through and click on the top holders, take a look at their wallets. So let's just look at this one. So you can take a look at this account and see the activity, click on portfolio. You can see all the Sui ecosystem coins they hold, including all the meme coins. So this is Plop. This is another project that I personally like. I'm gonna go ahead and copy the contract address. I wanna see how many holders this one has. Go to Sui Scan, paste it in. There's Sui Plop. You can see this one was created on September 14th, about a month ago. Here's the holder count right here, just over 4,100. Total supply, circulating supply, volume. Let's take a look at one more, Sui Man. I'm gonna copy the contract address, go back to Sui Scan, paste it in. Sui Man. Here's some info about the meme coin project. Here's their social links, right? Telegram, Twitter. Here is the holder count right here, 78,000. And this one was created 27 days ago. Go out to their Twitter account, check out their Telegram, see how often they post content and so on. So that's just one simple way you can use Sui Scan to enhance your Sui meme coin trading. A few other things I'll point out quickly. You can see the price of Sui is displayed up here. It's up 23% today. The whole market is ripping. Bitcoin's over 72,000. You can see gas on Sui is extremely low, very similar to Solana, maybe even a little lower. I like this section here. This is unique to Sui Scan where they have a news hub. That's why I like to always take a look at Sui Scan and SuiVision kind of first thing, definitely at least once a week. This is where you're going to get good insight into what's new within the ecosystem. If you scroll down here, you can see the market cap of Sui, circulating supply, and all this key information, total transactions, transactions per second, total coins within the ecosystem, over 66,000, and total NFTs minted. So this is a great spot if you're just starting with Sui. And then you'll see here the top DeFi protocols, the top liquidity pools, the top NFT trending collections the last 24 hours, and the top marketplaces for NFTs, Tradeport by far being the biggest. Scroll down a little more, you'll see all of the validators for Sui blockchain that you could stake with. You can do that as well right through Sui Scan. I'll show you that in a second. Let's go ahead and connect our wallet. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to connect my Sui wallet. If we click on our wallet address up here, you can go to profile. It'll show you the net worth of everything in your wallet at the time. You can see your activity. You go to portfolio, you can see your entire portfolio right in here. So that's kind of nice. Dive through any transactions that you've made on any DEX. Anything you've done on the Sui blockchain, you can come in here and analyze it. If you staked your Sui, you'll see it right here. Speaking of that, you can click right here on stake, and you can stake right from here if you wanted to. You just choose a validator. So for example, we'll just click on stake tab, click next. This is the total amount they have staked in this validator, and this is the staking APY, which is just under 3%. Click next. Here's where you would enter the amount that you want to stake, and then you just click next and go through the process of staking it. That's simple. So if we go to blockchain and we take a look at top accounts, this is a list of the 200 largest addresses by balance size. So this is interesting. Binance is up there, Bybit, Kraken, OKX, KuCoin, Mexi. So apps is a great spot to explore all the different apps within the ecosystem. If we go to DeFi projects, this is going to sort the top DeFi projects by total value locked. You can see Navi's up top, Sweetland, Cetus, Scallop, and so on. So if you go to coins, it's a great spot to see all the ecosystem tokens, Sui being number one, obviously, Ocean token number two, and it sorts it by holder count. So this is really nice. If we're just focusing on meme coins, Blub is right up there at 38,000, FUD 38 as well. Those are two of the top meme coins within the ecosystem, and so on. So Sui Scan coins is a great starting point for not only Sui meme coins, but all of the ecosystem tokens, getting a feel for holder count, supply, DeFi, and so on. NFT collections, all known NFT collections on Sui listed by sales volume, taken from marketplace metadata. You can see Sui name service SuiNS is number 1. I have a video on SuiNS, check that out. Fuddies, OG, NFT collection, 10,000 items. So NFT collections really makes it easy to see the top collections by volume and holder count within the Sui ecosystem. If we go to analytics, this is a lot of the stuff you'll see on the homepage of Sui Scan. Total transactions, average transactions per second, and so on. Objects are smart contracts. So this is the number of new accounts the past 30 days. And their definition of new accounts, the number of newly activated accounts in Sui. An active account is activated after it has run its first transaction. So over almost 4 million new accounts in the last 30 days. One other thing I'll point out is if we click up here, by default it's going to be on mainnet. You can also check out DevNet, testnet, and here's an interesting thing, Walrus Scan. So Walrus is the new decentralized data storage availability protocols being built out right now. They already have Walrus Scan built on testnet, which will be the explorer for that protocol, which is really interesting. So that's a quick rundown of Sui Scan. Again, a great starting point for the Sui ecosystem. SuiVision is the other top explorer, another great place to gain insight into Sui. Let me know which one you prefer if you use both Sui Scan and SuiVision in the comments below. Thanks for taking time to watch this. See you in the next one.